So, dear students, myself Kalpana Pause. I am working as an assistant professor in MIT Academy of Engineering. Now, I am pursuing a PhD in biomedical engineering from the Anand Sagar College of Engineering, Bangalore. So, today we are going to study some basic concepts from C programming. And that first of all, we are starting with arithmetic operators in C. So in that addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, remainder, increment, and decrement, these operators are there in C programming. So we are doing programming by using these basic arithmetic operators, addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. So we are going to write one program that will give you addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division of two numbers. So let me share my screen so that I will explain you how to write the program using C. So basically, starting from this, we need to include library files, that is include stdio.h. After that, we are writing main function, int main function. So whichever data type we are using here, that is of integer type. So different basic data types are there in C programming. In that, integer, character, float, double, short integer, unsigned integer, long integer, long integer, unsigned long integer. So these different data types are there in C programming. Out of that, now we are doing operations on integer data types. That integer two numbers we are taking as an input, and accordingly we are generating the addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division of these two numbers. Suppose these A and B, these two numbers are there. After that, we are writing this is our program. Hash include stdio.h int main, two variables for numbers A and B we are taking, and whichever that addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division results are there, that we are going to store in number C, D, E, and F. So for that, we are taking these variables C, D, E, and F. So printf enter two numbers. That numbers we are scanning here, percent D, double quotes, comma, and A, comma, and B. After that, we are doing addition, that C is equals to A plus B. So these give you addition of two numbers. Now this addition I want to display. So that will be printf addition is equals to percent D, double quotes complete, comma. So here we want to display C. So that we are writing here C. After that, B is equals to A minus B. We are doing subtraction that we want to display. So C is a case sensitive language. So right here, small p only. That printf statement will be lowercase letter. Printf is there. After that, D is equals to A minus B. Then printf subtraction is equals to percent D, comma, D, bracket complete, semicolon. Then E is equals to A divided by B, that is division. So printf division is equals to percent D, double quotes complete, comma, the division will be in E. So E, semicolon. After that, F is equals to A percent B. Then printf remainder is equals to, it is in F. So remainder is equals to percent D, double quotes complete, comma, that is in F. So we are taking that remainder. So now C, D, E, F, we have our addition, subtraction, division, and remainder result. So now here, that function, we need to write here return statement. So return 0. So that will be, after that, main function is completing here. So we need to end it by using that curly bracket. So this is our program for writing addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division of two numbers. Okay. Now we want to execute this program. Now suppose we can do, or we can use online compiler for execution of this program, so that we can use here. So online compilers are available. So you write here online C compiler. So you will get here program is 1C online compiler is there. So this compiler here you need to paste your program. I hope my screen is visible to you all. Let me check it whether it is visible or not. So I share here you my screen, so that notepad is there. So yeah, online compiler is there. So now I think that my screen is visible. So this is our program that we paste from notepad to here in programming. Now we want to check the output of this program. You just click on run button, then you will get here. So it is showing some errors. So after doing practicing, after practicing, you will definitely able to solve all these type of errors. So let me check what error is there. So here that integer a, b, stdio, and main is there, and a comma b, cdf, printf, enter two numbers, yes, c is equals to a plus b, addition, printf, subtraction, is equals to a by b. Okay. So let me check whether it is problem with compiler or our program code. Yes, so that double quote is missing here. So that's why that error is there. And purpose is showing this with errors, because you must be able to solve that errors also while doing the programs. So you must have that practice of resolving all these errors. So that enter two numbers, percent d and a comma and b, addition, subtraction, division, remainder is equals to. So that double quote is missing here. That's why that error is there. So all these care should be taken while executing the program. So now it is correctly working now. So we need to enter two numbers, 2 and 3. Suppose these two numbers are there. Then we get addition is equals to 5, subtraction is equals to 1, division is equals to 0, and remainder is equals to 2. So here, so once again, we'll check by two numbers, 8 and 4. So these two numbers we are entering here. So that addition is equals to 12, subtraction is equals to 4, division is equals to 2, and remainder is equals to 0. Now, suppose we want to see the result at new line, then you can add here one backslash n operator. So that gives you result at new line. So one by one, you will check this subtraction, division, and remainder. So this you can check, enter two numbers, 8 and 4. So this addition is equals to 12, subtraction is equals to 4, division is equals to 2, and remainder is equals to 0. So that is about this program, addition, subtraction, multiplication. So here we are just doing, instead of multiplication, we are doing division and remainder here. So if you want to add for multiplication also, you can do that by adding one more variable, g. So you need to write here two more lines only. So that is, you can write like this. So this g is equals to a multiply. We want to do here multiplication. So add multiplication, then a multiply b, that multiplication result will be in g. So you just add here multiplication. Multiplication is equals to percent d, and that our result is in g. So we need to add here g and run it. So you will get here, suppose that 8 and 4. You need to enter space between these two numbers, and that result will be addition is equals to 12, subtraction is equals to 4, division is equals to 2, and remainder is equals to 0, multiplication is equals to 32. So that is our result of these 5 arithmetic operations. Thank you.